Innovation, digitalization, the cloud, terminology that is often used these days, and although we all understand its importance, sometimes it's just hard to keep up. That's why we enable you to have a deeper understanding of the technology behind it and unlock new levels of innovation with vDoctor, a 5-part series of short webinars explaining the VMware basics step by step. In collaboration with Tech Data, you will learn to deliver applications from the cloud with a consistent developer experience, manage your apps across multiple clouds or data centers, empower distributed workforces, including protection for critical apps and data. Register now for 1 or more vDoctor sales sessions so VMware and Tech Data can help you generate new opportunities, grow your business, and increase profitability.